50 grams of roasted peanuts, 3 garlic cloves, 20 grams of ginger, 50 grams of courgettes, cut into cubes, 2 medium celery, around 60 grams, cut into small cubes, half a medium leeks, about 50 grams, cut into cubes, ,30 grams of red bell peppers and 30 grams of green bell peppers. Also cut into cubes. ,30 grams of Spanish onion, also cut into cubes. ,250 grams of chicken breast, also cut into cubes. To marinate the chicken, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of regular oil. Mix well, leave it to marinate for 15 minutes. 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 30 ml of water. Stir well and set it aside. 3 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. Brown off our ginger. Once the ginger has released its aroma and brown enough, discard the ginger. In with our marinated chicken. Cook it for 40 seconds on one side and then turn it over. Keep stirring until the chicken is evenly golden brown on all sides and at least 80% cooked. The chicken is now evenly browned. In with half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Once the chicken is evenly coloured, set it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of regular cooking oil, in with our onions and the rest of the garlic. Give that a quick stir to release the aroma. In with the rest of our vegetables. In with a splash of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and half teaspoon of sweet chili powder. Stir well for 40 seconds. Back in with the rest of our chicken. Re-stir our sauce and in with the rest of the sauce we made earlier. Combine everything together. Once the sauce starts to thicken, add in our peanuts. Once everything's combined, we are ready.